Today we're taking a look at this very simple docking station here with two USB chargers. You can pick USB-C and USB-C, or Lightning and USB-C, or Lightning and Lightning, doesn't matter here. You can get fast charging. You get an extra USB-A, another USB-C. This is a battery meter here with an LED, and these are all retractable. So however long that you need it, you can just bring this up and charge it. This is up to 30 inches long, so you get quite a bit of the cable here. And to put this back, it just simply retracts, so then you can unplug it, you can leave it there, or you can also hide it away like that. So super simple installation. Let me show you how to do that. So this is the product. It's very minimalist design. There's not much to it. I'll show you all the functions here in just a second. But you have got the retractable chargers there. You've got some USB ports there. There's a screen for your battery monitoring. This is the notch that will allow you to adjust it on the side and make sure that it is fully secured. And then the other end is simply the DC input. So we're going to be plugging it in. We got this product free of charge from TL Yard. We have reviewed a lot of product from them in the past, and this is their listing. I'll show you how you can save some money. This is an affiliate product, so we do earn a very small commission at no additional cost to you, and in return you also get to save some money. I'll let you be the judge if this is worth it or not, but it's showing $89.90 right now. This you can select between Model Y Juniper or the Highland, and then right here you can select either USB-C and Lightning, or just the two USB-C or two Lightning if you just want the two iPhone ones. And so if we were to take this to add to cart here, if we were to go to checkout, this has my code already listed here, but you do have to input it right here if it doesn't show, Shiva Tesla, and that knocks the price down from $89.90 to $67.42. So I'll let you be the judge if this is worth it or not, but that's how you can knock out about $22 from this product. Let me show you how the product works. So installation of this is a super straightforward process. You want to make sure that this light bar faces towards you, so towards the back, and then this edge faces towards the front. And that's one of the reasons is because the LED control is right here, so the orientation needs to match. So you take the DC input, simply plug it into the cigarette lighter port in the front, and you're gonna see the light come through here. So that's how simple this is. Now for this light, you can adjust the different lighting by pressing on this button. So let's say if I press once, it goes to red only mode, there is green, there is blue, there is that color. So you can go through adjusting different colors. And then if you press it one more time, it completely turns off. You can also press and hold. So right now, as you can see, I think it's picking up the voice a little bit. So that's why it is blinking a little bit. But if we get to like a solid color, so this is a solid color, now I'm going to just press and hold on this button here, and that will completely turn off. So once you see that effect, is gone. So there is no more LED, and to turn this back on, you have to press and hold. Not just press, but you have to press and hold for a little bit, and then the LED will just pop up and it will go back to the last setting that you are in, which is multicolor setting here. Now you may be wondering what this number is. This is your 12-volt battery voltage right now. This is for a battery protection. So if you start seeing this drop below 13, then you know that your 12-volt battery is dying or there's some issues. So you want to keep monitoring this. Another thing is this cigarette lighter port is often toggled on even after you leave the car for a while. So if you want to be sure, you always want to turn off the light here so that this is not wasting any of your battery. So just keep that in mind. But to install this here, it is a simple process. You just take it in the railing here, and then you find that notch, and then just slide this back. And there you go. That's it. This is good to go. Now you can fully close this. And I see what they did with the color here. I think they were trying to match it. But you see right there, that's what it looks like. You can slide this back. Here is another view, a little bit darker setting here. This light is really nice, and as I say, I could press this to go between different colors, so you can see that it changes, completely turned off, and we're back to that multicolor setting here. And how this operates is super simple. However long that you need to pull this, so this can come all the way to here to your driver's seat. This is about 30 inches in length, so that's a pretty big length here. And to put this back, all you have to do is pull on this cable just gently, and then just let this go, and it retracts back. You can leave it here, or you can even slide it so that it is a little bit hidden. So of course we have to make sure that this actually works. So I'm gonna be pulling this here, and let me just plug this Android phone. It says turbo power connected, which usually means it is over 40 watt for this phone. So they claim about 65 watt. So that checks out. And we're gonna be plugging in the iPhone connector here, the lightning connector, and that one is also charging. So both of these are right now charging. So you can see this through here, that is charging, this is charging, and we're seeing about 15.2 in here. So this both works, checks out, the ports are working fine. Now a lot of you guys might already have a sexy knob like this on your Highland or your Juniper, and if you're wondering if this fits within this footprint here, and it does. So if you look at it, it is totally fine. It still closes. Yeah, your space is gonna get tight here, but this is still works so that you can close this, and it is pretty strong. Like, this doesn't move, so it still holds even with the sexy knob in place if you wanted to install that. So what do you all think about this product? Would you get it for your Tesla Model 3 Highland or Tesla Model Y Juniper? Do you have a need for it? Any feedback that you have for TLER to make their product better in the future iteration? For me personally, I think I would have preferred this color, but now that I look at it, maybe it's not as bad. Here it matches with the edges, and this screen, I wish it said something else. Maybe when time would be better than the battery voltage, because I don't think it's gonna drain the battery so much that the voltage is gonna be drained. This is unnecessary information in my opinion. Perhaps it could show the output here, something more than just this number here. So that's the only suggestion that I have, but I really like the USB-A and USB-C, and this looks pretty cool. Thank you for watching this video. If you are into Tesla products and would like to see more products like this in the future and Tesla reviews, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and come back again soon. Thank you.